gentlemen, we have the callus downpipes in the trunk. I am actually going to meet a kind of a friend. I met him a while ago. He actually watched some of my videos. His name's Gustavo. We became kind of friends. He lives in Austin. I live in Dallas, Fort Worth. And I posted the callus downpipes for sale. He wanted them. I didn't realize it was him until a couple messages in. I was like, hey, you know, you're my boy. Like, come get them. I'll drop the price. But then I found some wheels down there. This guy was asking $750, and I got them down to $400. So Gustavo picked up the wheels for me, and then I subtracted the price of the downpipes, and he's gonna meet me halfway, which is Waco. So we both gotta drive an hour, and we both get parts. So it's a win-win. So I'm gonna head down there now, pick the E92. Should make it there. Brand new tires. I actually fixed a really big issue with this car. I'll explain to you guys later. But yeah, I'm gonna hit the road so I'm not late and get the new wheels. And I'll make you guys wait to see what they are. All right. Oh, low oil. I gotta top that up. But besides that, as you can see here, I picked up the wheels, so they're pretty clean. They came off a 1M, actually, not a 335, not an M3, which I looked it up. It should be the same wheel spec. And actually, if it's a little less aggressive, I think it works out in my favor because they'll fit better, right? Even though I'm pretty sure they are, but if they aren't, I'm not gonna complain because they'll fit better on this 335i. So I'm gonna pull them out, show you guys the damage on them, and then probably see if they hold air. Gonna go get some valve stems put in them because where is it at? He took them out at some point. There it is. So I'll probably take out a sensor. So I'm gonna put that on, take them out, see if they hold air, clean them up, and then see what we have. So here they are, ladies and gentlemen, all three of them, or all four of them. Just stock ZCP M3 wheels, looking pretty clean. And I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys which one's damaged. This one's good, no damage here. Pretty sure. And then this one's bad here. This one's bent here on the inner lip. It seems like it would hold air, but at the same time, I'm not very sure. And I know we need to get it either replaced or repaired. Of course, we try to see if we can get it repaired first. If not, we can find a replacement wheel, which I figured one front wheel should only be a couple $100 if anything. And this one is good as well, and this is the last damaged one. It has this little nick here. Not too bad, not the end of the world, but it is a rear, so it's a little more expensive. So I definitely want to get that one fixed before I get it replaced. And then this is the only one that I'm not too sure about, but it should, it's the only one to find out, you know, and that is by taking it over there and see if we can get it fixed. So they're pretty clean though. I'm pretty stoked. I don't know what I'm gonna do with them yet. I thought about putting them on this car just because I've always wanted to set on a 335i, especially if I got them powder coated black. They look good on that. And then take those, put them on the E90 or vice versa, and then sell those. I don't know yet, but for now I'm just gonna clean them up, see what they look like when they're nice and clean, and go from there. I'm probably gonna go to the store and buy valve stems, try to put them myself at home. Shouldn't be too difficult. Compared to going to this tire shop because he's not even open right now and I'm impatient. So let me clean this for now and then we'll see what we can do. So here they are for a general idea of what they'll look like. They're pretty clean. I mean, I'm not gonna lie, I don't know if see, the thing about it is I've always wanted I don't like M3 rep stuff to an extent, but I've always loved this style of wheel. I think it's just so aggressive. Ones I have on there are pretty lightweight. These are a little heavier for sure, but I'm just an OEM wheel sucker, so I'm thinking about the final stage of this car will be fully orange, M3 ZCP wheels, gloss black, and then finish that off with probably black tinted windows, the carbon fiber lip, and it'll just be and the front carbon fiber lip as well, the rear lip and the front lip, and it'll just be a clean little 335i. I'm not gonna go too crazy. I might do a future stage too, like in the future when I'm done with it, but for the most part, I'm not too sure yet. But regardless, I don't know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go ahead and, like I said, go to the store, buy the valve stems. I cleaned those up over there. Those look pretty clean. They're just a little dirty. And then start looking at either places to repair them or online to see who can fix them. All right, so I got the wheels. I put valve stems in two of the wheels. I was able to put them in there and then bead the wheel. Thankfully, because they already took the wheel basically off that front bead, or else it's almost impossible to do at home without a machine or some sort of, you know, tool. But I beaded them, so now I'm gonna go ahead and throw it on the front here. Here's our stock M3 ones, and then I already put it on the rear, but it doesn't look half bad. But now I'm gonna go ahead and jack this one up, put this wheel on the front, and then we'll pull it out and see what it looks like with these two wheels. And again, if I kept these wheels, we would definitely powder coat them gloss black to match the car. Only because it looks way better. Here's an example of what I meant with the powder coat, the plasti dip. As you can see here, these look, you know, matte now because they have a lot of brake dust on them. Thankfully, they do clean up pretty well, but they are pretty dirty. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean those. But I'm glad we didn't powder coat them yet because of the fact that now with this set of wheels, if we powder coat these, well, for one, it's not expensive, but it costs money. So now we can actually powder coat these black if we keep them. If not, I don't know. So I'm gonna throw it on the front, show you guys, and you guys really need to let me know because I'm an OEM BMW guy. And I don't know why I love OEM wheels. I know I probably should venture out more, but OEM wheels, like for the fitment, maybe because I'm cheap. I'm a cheap guy, I'm not gonna lie. So since these are cheaper, I keep going OEM because you get the nice spec, you get good wheels, you know, good built, what's the word I'm looking for? Quality made wheels because they're OEM. And then like for these, for example, the fitment is pretty good for a stock set of wheels, you know what I mean? I don't have to spec them out or pay extra and stuff like that. And usually they come with tires, so it's a win-win. But I'm gonna throw this one, the other M3 one on the front, pull that M3 one off, and then we'll see if we're probably gonna run these or not. But I think I'm liking the way that looks, but we'll see. Let me go get that one off and then we'll get it done. All right, so here are the wheels in the car. They look pretty good, I'm not gonna lie. Like I'm at a bit of a turmoil though because I don't know if I want to keep these or keep the 18s. I know the 18s look really good on the car as they are, but at the same time, I feel like they are not aggressive enough. And then these are a little too aggressive, I feel like. But then I'm screwing myself by not having the car fully wrapped and then trying on wheels because then I kind of feel like it looks ugly regardless, even though really it's just I need to finish wrapping it. So for the meantime, I took these wheels, I put these wheels on, and I put the M3 ones on, the other M3 ones on the E90, and that one looks pretty good too. But at the same time, I don't know if it suits it. I guess I would remove the plastic dip and have the gunmetal under it, and it'd be the gunmetal on this car, which you guys saw how it was on that car. So it would probably look better instead of the gloss black or the matte black now. But I'm not too sure on it yet. I'm not sold on it. I guess I'm gonna go ahead and give those some thought. If I keep those, then of course we'll do the whole switch through. If I don't keep those, I'll keep these, then this car keep its stock wheels, and we'll go from there. But for the most part, I'm not set anything yet, so I gotta really think about this. And then because here's the way this car looks. The other car looks pretty aggressive with these wheels, I'm not gonna lie, especially if we lowered it a little bit and then we took the plastic dip off. I think it would look really good, but I'm not 100% sure, and I don't want to rip the plastic dip off either. So you got this car, we got the M3s over there, and now you see on this side we have the VMR still, which looks pretty good as well, you know. So it's like the VMRs of course look good on this side, and then over here I got my regular black M3 one, so those still look good over there. These still look good over here. Should I just leave it alone, or should I go ahead and get the other ones worked up for the next car? But as far as fitment, like, these are pretty aggressive, you know what I mean? So if I load this car, it'll still be a pretty aggressive wheel, and definitely pokes a little more than these do. These do a little bit, I think, just right there, but these are definitely where it's at. And then this one too, I don't know. I think if I stop and I think about it, fully orange car, gloss black ZCP wheels, I think that's what we're gonna do. I think that's the move. I need to quit being lazy and finish this car. I'm not being lazy, but I bought this car. I put all the maintenance and stuff into this car, so and register this car. That's where all my spare money's going for this one. I think I'm just gonna keep these, get the other wheel repaired, I look for a new one, and then but see, if I keep these, do I throw the M3 ones on here and leave them here because they are M3 wheels and they're better quality, or do I just leave the VMRs, leave this car as it is, and then sell these? I don't know yet, so I'm gonna think about it. But for now, I'm just gonna put my wheels back on, wash this car, and then go from there. I'm not too sure, but that rear wheel is aggressive as heck, and I love it. And this front one's pretty good too. So a couple of days have gone by, as you can obviously tell, and I'm not in the best situation to work on cars. It is freezing. I do have a couple of things I'm trying to knock out, but this is the current situation with this car. Last time you guys saw this, of course, we were talking about the wheels, and good news is I did get that out, sent that out to get repaired. We just repaired it instead of replacing it. They repaired it for 150, which I figured was good. Might as well do it, and they'll powder coat it again. So we did that, and then now we have found somebody to possibly powder coat them gloss black as well. So this is the current situation. not very warm. We only have a couple more days of this and it should be up to 60 degrees. So we would really work on this, work on the other car, and then work on the E90. So let me go inside and show you guys before I die the wheel we got repaired. And here's the repaired wheel. I already got it repaired. I went to some local guy, pretty cool dude, actually offered me like a job, needs me to help him out, stuff like that. Which I think is good because we can spark up a bit of a relationship, because I need somebody who could do body work and do little things like this for me. So it's pretty good. That's where it was dented. As you can see here, there's like a bit of a imperfection in the powder coat there. I don't know if it's because of what they used, but the actual inside lip is perfect, nothing there, and it's fresh. So this wheel is ready to go on the car, and now we have all 4 good wheels. One of them still has a little nick in it, but it's not actually bent. So I'll keep it like that, because he told me it's better just to keep it as it is. That way when I go to powder coat it black, they'll just charge me $25 on top of the powder coat to get it completely repaired. And so I said, okay, that's fine. So now we have 4 good wheels. We need 4 tires now, and then we can get these things mounted. Hopefully when it warms up, because as you guys saw, it's pretty cold. And that's probably going to be it for now. Just to show you guys the new wheels. Hope you guys think they're cool. I think even though they look good like this, I think gloss black is the way I'm going to go for sure. We all know that. And I think these are really kind of, you'll kind of get the picture when these are gloss black. But for now, we'll just throw these on. And here's a bit of a sneak peek as to what I have right now. That'll be in the next video. And hopefully I can upload that in a couple days. It is freezing here, so I'm not able to work on anything. But at least these are ready to go. We got this project ready to go. And yeah, so thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one.